Lyft, the Fed, and FANG are three of the top headlines today. Matt Cheslock joins me. Matt, talk to me about Lyft. What do you think about this roadshow?
Well, I think they're in a good spot right now. The market's been very accommodative, hitting all-time highs as far as the S&P goes. So if you're going to list, this is a great time to do it. There's a lot of demand, a lot of expectations for Lyft. If they can get $2 billion in the IPO, that's a tremendous start for them and evaluation. But they are going to be competing against Uber as we go forward. So how much money is going to be focused just on Lyft? That's the question you're going to see on the roadshow.
And what about this Fed meeting? We're going to have it on Tuesday and Wednesday of this week. Do you expect that the Fed's going to be more dovish?
I don't know how much more dovish they can be, but I would anticipate them preaching patience again. That seems to be working, and the market really likes that kind of message. So if that continues, I would expect that to be a tailwind for the market.
The Dow kicked off Monday morning trading down, largely in part due to Boeing, and I'm wondering, going forward, what do you think of this week?
Well, Boeing has been just a major drag, obviously for various reasons, but if that's down 13%, that's been one of the catalysts for this market rise over the last little bit. That's accounted for almost a quarter of the move higher. So to see the market hit all-time highs without Boeing, we're starting to see some new leadership groups, financials coming into play. They've been very strong. So that's what we're looking for. Some of the tech names, the bigger tech names like Apple and stuff, have acted pretty well as well. So this new leadership group helps.
Now, we saw a lot of headlines this weekend about the New Zealand massacre, and we had a lot of issues with Facebook and Twitter and them showing the video. Now, I'm wondering, for investors looking at big tech and FANG stocks, what should they be thinking?
Well, anytime the government wants to get involved, and if they start talking about censoring what they can produce on air or what content can be shown, that's never good for these kind of names. So you're going to watch that. Facebook's going through a lot of different things with some executives leaving as well. So they're in the spotlight right now, and certainly you pray for the people down in New Zealand, and hopefully these companies can come up with some content issues that mitigate some of these showings of these videos.
Matt, thanks for joining me.
My pleasure.